In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Zoom webinar. Start by signing into your Zoom account. Before you begin, make sure your account includes access to Zoom webinars, since webinars are a separate feature from regular Zoom meetings. Once you're inside your Zoom dashboard, click Webinars in the navigation menu and then select Schedule a Webinar. Next, enter a title for your webinar, add a description, and choose the date, time, and duration. Make sure the details are accurate so attendees know exactly when to join. After that, configure your webinar settings. You can require registration, enable a Q&A section, allow polls, and customize attendee permissions. These features help create a more professional webinar experience. Now add any co-hosts or panelists who will be presenting with you. Enter their email addresses so they receive invitations and can join as presenters instead of attendees. Next, save your webinar. Zoom will generate a registration page or webinar link that you can share with your audience through email, social media, or your website. Before the event, test your audio, video, screen sharing, and presentation materials. It's a good idea to join a practice session to make sure everything is working properly. Finally, start the webinar at the scheduled time, deliver your presentation, answer questions from attendees, and conclude with your call to action if you're promoting a product, service, or event. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Zoom webinar. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.